Hello fellow travellers, and welcome to the channel where we share tips to make your travels safe, healthy and unforgettable. Today we're going to focus on how to stay healthy and prepared while you're out discovering the world. Travelling is all about creating amazing memories, and with a few simple precautions you can keep yourself feeling great and ready for the adventure. So let's get into it. Before you embark on your journey, a little preparation goes a long way to help keep you healthy. First off, get any necessary travel vaccinations by visiting your doctor or travel clinic at least 6 to 8 weeks before your departure to get any recommended vaccinations for your destination. For example, you might need vaccinations for hepatitis A, typhoid or yellow fever, depending on where you're going. Be sure to check the NHS, CDC or WHO websites for country-specific requirements and carry your vaccination certificate if required, especially for parts of Africa or South America. Be sure to check out my video on travel vaccinations. There'll be a link in the description or at the end of this video. If you take prescription medications, always carry them in their original packaging with the prescription label. Some countries like Japan or the UAE have strict regulations about medications, and you could face issues at customs without proper documentation. Pack enough for your entire trip, plus a few extra days in case of delays, and keep a copy of your prescription handy too. If you have food or medical allergies, pack translation cards in the local language that clearly explain your allergies. Apps like Google Translate can help, but having physical or digital cards ready ensures you can communicate in restaurants or emergencies, especially in areas where English is limited. A compact first aid kit is also a must. Include essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, antidiarrheal medication, motion sickness tablets and any personal medications. Add items like tweezers and a thermometer for unexpected needs. Keep it in your carry-on for easy access. Keeping your body hydrated and nourished is key to enjoying your travels. As in many destinations, tap water isn't safe to drink, so always stick to bottled water with an intact seal and check that it's from a reputable brand. If you're travelling to remote areas, pack a water purification like a live straw or purification tablets. These are lightweight and can make local water safe. Aim to drink at least 2 litres of water daily or more if it's hot. Pack some electrolyte packets, especially in hot or humid climates, to stay energised. Always choose food wisely and eat at popular restaurants or food stalls packed with locals. Long queues or busy spots are often a sign of fresh, often delicious and safe food. Watch the food being cooked to ensure it's been stored and prepared hygienically. Street food can be delicious, but be cautious. Avoid dishes that have been sitting out for a while and make sure meats are thoroughly cooked through. If you're unsure, opt for vegetarian options to reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Wash your hands. It sounds simple, but washing your hands with soap before eating or after using public transport can prevent a lot of illness. Carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer for times when soap and water aren't available. This is especially important in busy markets or after handling money. Travel can take its toll on your body while away, so here's how to protect it. Protect yourself against mosquitoes and other biting insects. Mosquitoes can carry diseases like malaria, dengue or Zika in some regions. Use a DEET-based insect repellent or citronella for a more natural option, and wear long sleeves and trousers around dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. Also sleep under a mosquito net and ensure that your room has screens that are in good condition if you're in a high risk area. Check with your doctor about anti-malarial medication if it's required. Sunburn can ruin your trip, and long-term sun exposure increases health risks. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Don't forget areas like your ears, neck and the tops of your feet. A wide brim hat and sunglasses also add extra protection. Make sure you get plenty of rest. Travel is exciting, but don't overdo it. Schedule downtime to avoid burnout, especially if you're crossing multiple time zones or doing physically demanding activities like hiking. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to stay sharp and alert to enjoy your trip fully. A well-rested traveller is a happy traveller. When I travel, I love being on the go and packing as much as I can in the time that I have, but I'm also wise enough to take a beach day or two to rest and relax, or longer if I find a place that I really like. Being ready for emergencies gives you peace of mind, so know local emergency numbers before you arrive. Note the local emergency numbers for police, ambulance and fire services. For example, it's 112 in the EU, 911 in the US and 999 in the UK, but other countries may differ. Research the nearest hospitals or clinics at your destination, especially if you have medical conditions, and keep your travel insurance contact details handy too. Use travel apps for safety by downloading apps like Citata, GeoShore or TripWhistle for real-time emergency alerts, safety ratings for neighbourhoods and local health advisories. These apps can also help you find nearby hospitals or pharmacies. Offline maps like Maps.me are great for navigation if you lose signal. Travel is all about balance and staying connected, so try not to overexert yourself. It's tempting to cram your itinerary full of activities, but pacing yourself keeps you healthy and happy. Prioritise must-see sites and build in time for relaxation, like a quiet coffee at a local cafe or a stroll in the park. Listen to your body. If it's tired, take a break. Stay connected with loved ones. If you're travelling long-term, regular check-ins with friends or family can keep you grounded. Share your itinerary with a trusted person and let them know when you'll check in, whether it's by WhatsApp, email or a quick phone call. It's reassuring for them and it helps you feel supported because mental health does matter. Travelling can be overwhelming, especially if you're solo or in unfamiliar places. Practice mindfulness or journaling to process your experiences. If you feel anxious, find a quiet space to breathe deeply or connect with a fellow traveller for a chat. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Travelling is one of life's greatest joys, and with these travel and health safety tips, you're ready to explore the world with confidence. Stay prepared, listen to your body, and embrace every moment of your adventure. If you love these tips, hit that like button, subscribe to Travelling Matt, and share your own travel hacks in the comments below. Until the next time, clear skies and safe roads. Thank you for watching.